So, doing a skincare video with a face full of makeup sounds right. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk skincare because we need to take care of our skin. Okay, if you want to live until old and pop down, we want our skin to look great. That's why I'm growing out my natural hair. So when I hit menopause and a place too hot, I can take off the wig and have inches growing from my scalp. Feel me? Yeah, that's why I stopped relaxing as well. Not why I stopped relaxing, but yeah, that's why I stopped relaxing as well. I went 100% natural. I did color my hair. I did bleach it in January, and I think I'm going to color it once a year. So like every January, I'll throw a bleach in there. That's the plan for my hair. But that's not why you're watching this video. You're watching this video because of my all natural skincare routine. Now, I've been on YouTube for the past couple of weeks because I realized that all I've been using is black soap and coconut oil lately, right? And I've been on YouTube and I'm trying to find natural skincare routines because I'm like, I feel like I want to go on a more natural journey with my skincare as opposed to getting, the oils, not oils, but what are those things called again? AHA, BHA, hyaluronic acid, the acids. So I'm getting a bunch of acids like I was doing before. I want to try more natural, holistic, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, routes, right? So I formulated this a routine based on the few videos that I could see. I was on the right path already. I did my own research, found out what my skin liked, what it didn't like, and now we're going from there. Also, what prompted this, I was a part of the Ordinary Clique. There was one called Inkly, I think it's called. All of those are on Sephora. I do have two videos, a daytime and a nighttime skincare routine, where I showed myself using the products, all that good stuff. And while I was using it, it was, doing what it was supposed to do. But then when it came to restock, I was like, do I really want to spend all this money on this tiny little bottle of thing? Like, yeah. So, monetarily as well, or financially as well, this routine is more feasible, more affordable, more pocket friendly, more budget friendly. So if that's another, one of your concerns, you're in the right place. All right. Another reason why I went all natural with the skincare, I promised the last one and then we're going to jump into it, is that while I was doing the acids and all of that, I decided to take it upon myself, because the dark spots weren't removing fast enough, to try turmeric. Turmeric has been blowing up for a while now. Me with my enough self got took up turmeric. Going to beauty supply store, go buy turmeric. Girl, when I tell you my skin broke out, I even, I had to stop using, within that first week, my face was unrecognizable. I hated it so much. I was so mad at myself. So I stopped that and just went back to my African black soap and my coconut oil. And that's what I've been using consistently for the past year or so. Right? My face is finally coming back to its senses. And now I'm adding, slowly but surely, I've now curated, I think, a good little list of things, good little products, and there's something else that I want to try. I'm going to mention at the end of this video. All right? Okay. What else do I want to say before I jump into this? I think that's it. So the first thing I do, because I wear makeup literally every single day, Monday to Saturday, every day. Sunday's the only day I don't wear makeup, right? So as we all know, there are steps to it. You oil cleanse, tone, treat, moisturize, right? Those are the top 5, right? And I believe the oil cleanse is optional, but again, because I wear makeup every day, I 100% oil cleanse to get everything off. I don't use makeup wipes because they're not good for your skin. I don't use makeup removers. I prefer coconut oil. It gets the job done and it's all natural. So I have my 100% coconut oil. The one I have is this one here. You can literally use any coconut oil you find in a grocery store or beauty supply store. This one the brand is called Akona. It's 100% pure coconut oil. It's good for your hair, your skin, your scalp, all of that. So this is what I use first as my oil cleanser, and that takes off my makeup completely. So just pour some, rub it on, take a paper towel and wipe it off. The next thing I do is I get my African black soap. This is all that I have left from it. This is the OK brand, right? OK Naturals. It's literally all natural, no perfume, no dyes, no nothing, no red dye number 60, nothing like that. It's all natural, right? So that I wash with that. After I wash, this is something that I'm just now adding to the rotation, and it is rose water. This is the brand that I'm using. It's by Absolute, the company Nika K, who makes makeup and stuff. This is their sister line, their higher end line. Now, the only thing that is, you know, concerning with this is that it's not 100% pure rose water, right? It does have fragrance in there, and I believe fragrance is listed. Yep, fragrance is the last thing listed in the ingredients list. It smells like it wants to be like, you know, back in the day they had this perfume named Ophelia. Ophelia was one of them couscous perfumes that they used to sell outside of the school gates for like $50. Back in the day, $50 was a lot of money, you know, because to get like $100 for lunch money back in the day. So yeah, $50 was a lot, and we're talking JMD, not USD. So the ingredients here: water, great. Rose flower water, great. Love that that's the second ingredient. Propylene glycol. Me don't know what that. What is this? Trehalose. I don't know what that is. Aloe leaf extract. Love that. I don't know what that word is. PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil. I kind of like that hydrogenated castor oil. All right. Sodium hyaluronate. So hyaluronic acid, because it does say on here that it has hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. So I guess that's what that is. The sodium, EDTA, and fragrance. I spent $8 on this rose water. And it's only because I wanted to try it, and this is the only rose water they had in the store. So this is what you would tone with. This is what I'm going to tone with. So after I oil cleanse, tone, rose water, I would mist that all over my face, right? Fingers crossed. Next is to treat, and to treat we're going with 100% pure tea tree oils. This one is by Fantasia. I see Fantasia. That's it there. It is a clear liquid. It's just that the packaging is green because tea tree is associated with the color green, right? Right. This one, like I said, is 100% pure tea tree oil. Exactly. No added ingredients, nothing. I love that for me. This one is good for acne. Like everything I'm showing you right here is really good for acne. And I have acne prone skin, especially during my time of the month, or like in my luteal phase. In my luteal phase and my premenstrual, oh my gosh, I break out like crazy. Like if I know my period's coming when I start getting pimples. So right now I have a pimple right here. You know, if I pop it, it's going to scar. Like listen to me. So tea tree, I'm just gonna do a couple drop, boom, boom, bam, bam, rub it into the skin, right? Pat it in. So you oil cleanse, tone, treat, moisturize. For moisturizer, of course, it is the 100% African shea butter. Now, usually after I moisturize, what I would have done, or what you normally do, or what you should do, is you put an oil following the moisturizer. Now, the shea butter, it melts down into an oil. If you were to pop this in the microwave, or you know, whatever, if you want to mix this in with your other essential oils, it's going to melt out into an oil. So I didn't add any oil after that, right? So that's the shea butter there. And like I said, when you put it on, it just melts out into your skin and it gives that nice glowy look. So I don't follow up with an oil. I might, and I was considering it, and if I do, it would definitely be jojoba oil. I love jojoba oil. I love jojoba oil because it's a natural, what's the word I'm looking for, reactant? It invites and it introduces adds moisture to the skin, and jojoba is also good for acne. Everything here is good for acne, and I do this every single night, right? Like I said, I'm just now going to introduce the rose water and the tea tree, but everything else I do every single night. And my skin like it. You can't tell, but trust me with it, right? Now, once a week, what I've started to do, because I can't think of any natural exfoliants outside of making my own exfoliator, I take one of these muslin washcloths from Gleam, and it's a 3-pack. I have one that's used, but it looks disgusting. That's why I'm gonna put it on the camera. So what I do, I take one of these, wet it with water, rub up my African black soap into it, and then scrub. And baby, when I tell you, it gets the dirt. It gets the dirt. So I will oil cleanse first, wash regular with my fingers with the black soap, and then do a second cleanse with the gleaming rag and the black soap again. And I get into my eyelids because I do wear lashes every day. So the lash glue, the mascara, whatever I did not get off during the week. It sounds crazy. But you don't get everything off one time. You really and truly don't. Sometimes after I do my oil cleanse and my regular cleanse, I go back in with coconut oil, put that on, take a paper towel, and then just start wiping some more, because I can feel the mascara, I can feel the eyeliner. I use waterproof mascara, waterproof eyeliner. I can feel it on there still. So I'll do a second oil cleanse, and second cleanse. I know that's crazy, but we want the makeup off. We want our skin to breathe, right? So I'll do this once a week. Now, so that would be step 6, exfoliating, because doing that is kind of like exfoliating your skin. A deep cleanse, get rid of the dead skin cells, the extra dirt, the, unclog your pores, all of that. So that would be my exfoliant, what my exfoliator. Okay, now the 7th step would be a mask. I used to ride for sheet masks, and honestly, I think I'm going to get back into them, because sheet masks leave your skin so supple. The thing is, sheet masks, I'd have to make my own, and I saw a video, of someone making a Korean sheet mask with, I think, coconut oil and something else. But anyways, what I want to try is a coffee mask. I was going to do a coffee scrub, but because I already use this, I don't want to over agitate my skin. So I'm going to make a coffee mask instead, gently applied. So it still will kind of exfoliate as I'm applying it, but I want to leave it on because it's going to naturally depuff. It's going to help with the under eye circles. It's going to, brighten the skin. So I'm thinking of either doing the coffee with the coconut oil, mixing that into a paste, applying it, or doing the coffee with honey, which I think would give me a thicker, more mask-like consistency, right? If I do it with the coconut oil, I think I'm going to get more of a scrub. If I do it with honey, I think I'm going to get more of a mask. So I'm thinking honey with the coconuts, with the honey with the coffee, I think should be good for me. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope I didn't ramble too much. I hope you got, a good look at education. I know I have a face full of makeup on. So I took a picture, but I don't feel like the picture was doing my skin any justice. Do not look at my lace either. But yeah, seriously don't look at my lace. Just look at my skin. I will do an update video in December, but skincare routine video is dropping tonight. Yeah, you should have seen me a couple months ago. My shit was and I mentioned this too. I have very serious acne prone skin. So yeah, this is me, fresh face, no filly, just smell like a natural product then. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to do an updated video in December to show without makeup how my face looks, even though I shouldn't have makeup on in this video, so you can see how my skin is now, and then in December the updated video, you see how I look in December. We will see. Maybe I'll insert pictures somewhere so you can see my face. Yeah. Maybe. We shall see. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.